Wait till you see the fun project we have today. Hi, I'm Diana, the artist behind My McDoodles. Welcome to my channel. For this project you'll need a few supplies: embossing pens, embossing powder, a heat gun, and a card. Links to these products will be in the description of this video. I like to use the clear pen to add a layer of the embossing fluid over top of any design areas that I want to have that metallic shimmer. I went over the design 2 times to make sure I had enough liquid on the paper that the embossing powder will stick nicely and not have any weird patchy areas. You might want to cover your work surface. I just put a piece of paper underneath of my card so that I could easily transfer the glitter back into the bottle. Sprinkle the glitter all over your design and make sure it has good coverage. Remove the excess glitter and make sure it doesn't have any stray pieces around. Just make sure it's very clean. Then turn on your heat gun. Start applying the heat about 6 inches away from the paper. Keep the heat gun moving in little circles to apply the heat evenly. Just be careful you don't put it too close because it's definitely easy to burn the paper if you're not careful. Just be patient when applying the heat. This can take about a minute or so, but you'll see the plastic start to change consistency as it's starting to melt down. It'll look less like glitter and more like a nice smooth gold surface of shimmery embossing rather than that chunky glitter. Once I see it start to change to that plasticky consistency, I do a few more seconds of even heat all over just to make sure it's all melted, and then you can flip it over and heat the back a little bit. Heating the back and then placing a heavy book on top will help with any warping of your paper. And heavyweight paper works better than thin paper as far as curling and warping. Now that your paper's cooled off, you could admire your design. How pretty is this? I hope you enjoyed our crafty little tutorial. If you make it, tag me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on the next fun tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.